Hey there, welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we dive deep into the latest tech gadgets to help you make informed decisions. Today, we're taking a look at the Pimoroni NVMe Base for Raspberry Pi 5. Let's see if this tiny powerhouse lives up to the hype. Now, if you're like me, you're always looking for ways to supercharge your Raspberry Pi projects. And that's where the NVMe Base comes in. It's a slick little M2 hatboard designed to unleash the full potential of your Raspberry Pi 5 with NVMe SSD support. First off, let's talk design. The NVMe Base sports a classic Pimoroni aesthetic, clean, minimalistic, and perfectly tailored to match the Raspberry Pi form factor. Plus, it supports NVMe SSDs ranging from 2230 to 2280, giving you plenty of options to choose from. Assembly is a breeze, though I'd recommend connecting the PCIe before attaching the standoffs to avoid any potential mishaps. And speaking of PCIe, the NVMe Base offers PCIe X1 support for both Gen 2 and Gen 3, ensuring lightning-fast data transfer speeds. Now, let's talk performance. We put the NVMe Base through its paces, and boy, did it deliver. With Gen 3 speeds, we saw read speeds of up to 876 megabytes per second and write speeds of 761.9 megabytes per second. Impressive numbers that'll turbocharge your Raspberry Pi projects. So, who is the NVMe Base for? Well, if you're into building NAS systems, powering low-power ARM desktops, or tackling projects that involve large file operations like video streaming and recording, this little gem is a game-changer. To wrap it up, the Pimoroni NVMe Base for Raspberry Pi 5 is a solid performer that punches above its weight. Sure, it's not without its quirks, like the precise PCIe connection and the case compatibility issues. But for the speed boost and versatility it offers, it's well worth the investment. That's it for today's review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more tech reviews and tutorials. Until next time, happy tinkering!